Beautiful out there today.
Beautiful day in the pool. The sun is not directly shining, so it seems like it's a great pool day. We slept in a bit. We're going to take it easy because we really pushed it hard at Universal yesterday.
Yep.
I know when I crawled into bed last night, I couldn't get to sleep for a while because my legs were hurting so bad.
It was crazy.
Yeah, so we're just going to chill today. We're going to do some pool, but first we're going to go to Walmart and do some like normal routine things. We just changed the sheets on our beds. Just trying to, you know, keep up with everything. We're starting to get into the mode of getting ready to go home, unfortunately.
Yeah, it's creeping into the back of your mind now, right?
Yeah, so we got some planning that we need to do.
So same thing, Heather wants some Cheesecake Factory.
I want Cheesecake Factory today.
So we're gonna get it to go.
Yeah, we're gonna go pick it up. Instead of eating in the restaurant, we'll just go in, we'll grab it, and we'll bring it back to the hotel room and enjoy it in our hotel room.
Yep.
Yeah, just trying to, you know, keep it safe, keep it, you know, good and happy and fun still and all that kind of stuff.
That's right. I mean, it's beautiful here.
It's beautiful
I mean,
out. We have a wonderful pool here.
Yeah, and we haven't even taken advantage of that as much as we should.
Yeah.
So I think we'll have a few drinks. We'll run off.
We were already kind of like borderline over when we came here, so we need to go pick up a duffel bag today to try to disperse some of that weight.
Stuffies and gifts and other things to get them home.
Exactly, and try to get it home. Now, at least I did save some space because some of the presents we brought down now do not have boxes and it's just like a doll.
Yeah.
So we did save a little bit of space there, but then of course we bought all kinds of stuff to bring back. So definitely need to like try to figure out what we're gonna do with that and get a duffel bag to take care of the extra clothes and the extra space that we do have.
But it will be a bit slower day for us, but we'll share from the pool as we get down there, and our Cheesecake Factory, of course. We'll do a little bit more laundry while we're there, chill out, and then tomorrow we've got the lightsaber build in the morning, so excited for that. I'm sure one way or another we'll be there for that in the morning at the very least, and see how busy the parks are. So it's just, we're always safe and conscious about where we are and what we're doing, and we'll monitor how busy Hollywood Studios is tomorrow when we get there and decide what we're going to do from then. But I've never had Cheesecake Factory before. For some reason, cheesecake is just so decadent. I find it hard to choose it, let alone like going there and having food, and I guess I have to have cheesecake when I go to the Cheesecake Factory. So it's hard to imagine having food and cheesecake. But we're going to give it our best go today, so hopefully you enjoy that. Yeah, it's just regular things today, but the pool does look good. Yeah.
It looks awesome down there. So yeah, we're gonna have fun today. It's gonna be awesome. Like, if you're coming to Florida, like, don't feel like you need to hit the parks hard every single day.
Yep.
It's a vacation. Take a day. Enjoy the resort. I know there's actually a sign downstairs right now, close to the Mara, and it has like a list of all the activities that they're doing for New Year's Eve. So if you're here during like any kind of like special holiday or something like that, check out the resort and see if they have any activities going on. Maybe that's something that might tickle your interest. You know, like it's there's lots of things to do at the resort as well. Don't feel like you have to go hit the parks every single day if you don't want to.
Yeah, and like Heather said, even within the pool itself. So I mean, we've got like the drink hut over here. There's like another like hot tub back here. There's like a kids over here, clay splash area, a water slide right here, another hot tub here, and there's a whole other pool over here at Kidani.
Yes, and there's flamingos right there.
And yeah, just flamingos hanging out right here, one leg up. And right here is like the little walk-up area. This is the deepest area, like 4'11", like right here, but it's like shallow over here, walk in. And there'll be, you can't see it now because it's such a wide angle lens, but there's games and events and activities that take place right there. There's somebody like, to manage, right, the recreation group at the zero entry, right? So lots of fun things to do, and if you didn't know, the Mara is also just like right here. So super close to, right? So we're gonna have a good day.
Yeah,
we're
it's
off.
gonna be awesome.
It's late.
Yeah, we're gonna go
Walsh
Walmart.
family chilling, right?
We're gonna go to CVS, get some
Yeah.
more COVID tests. Hopefully they still have some
Walmart,
there.
Cheesecake Factory.
Cheesecake Factory
Pool.
and pool. It's gonna be a busy day still.
There you go.
Yeah. So let's get to it.
Adeline got the delicious mac and cheese. This is the pasta Napolitan, I believe.
I think so.
So it's like a heavy meat spaghetti.
Yep.
We got the
Spicy chicken sandwich.
and a side.
Side Caesar.
And what's this?
And this is the fried cheese.
Oh my lord, you got an appetizer too.
Yeah.
Wow. And then we have the cheesecake.
And we have the cheesecake, which is currently in the fridge because it kind of melted a little tiny bit. It kind of went a little.
Wow.
So right now it's in the fridge. We don't have to eat that right now. Obviously, we're gonna eat this and go from there.
All right, we'll check back in once we're settled. Yeah, there's a lot of grub. Okay, we'll be right back. All right, what a day. I'm not sure where we left you, where the footage ends, but what I can tell you is that we had a good day. We got all the the necessity stuff done again. I went and got some more COVID tests, negative, so that was cool. We got Cheesecake Factory, so good, super big meal. So, that's one thing I tell you if you're going to Cheesecake Factory. If you haven't been, like I haven't been, bear in mind portion sizes are huge. Food and the cheesecake. So maybe appetizers and cheesecake, or food, no cheesecake, I don't know, something like that. But the food alone was like plenty. So factor in, it was really good, really tasty. My lemon meringue cheesecake was super good choice. Loved it. And so it's the spaghetti. Really good. Napolitano or whatever the meat one. So that was really good. Everybody really enjoyed it. We went down. We swam for hours tonight, which was nice. Madeline went down the water slide for the first time. Played some shark attack. She was getting ready to bob, going underwater. New things for her, right? So she's just learning the swimming part, getting used to it. But she did really good. So really proud of her for doing all that stuff tonight. Going down the slide all by herself was pretty impressive at the hotel. So we're back. And then we're off to Hollywood Studios in the morning for the lightsaber build. So different kind of day. No parks. Didn't do a park today after doing Universal, the entire day before. But anyway, it was still a great day. We got our bag, a new bag. I guess we got so much stuff that we need an extra bag to pack to get home. COVID test, Cheesecake Factory. We cleaned up the room and then swam and relaxed. So I think that's a win. It's getting late now, so we're going to put Madeline to bed when she gets out of the tub. And you'll see us again shortly. Thanks for joining us. Tune in tomorrow for Hollywood Studios. Lightsaber building. Never done it before. Don't know if you have. Don't really know what's involved, but we're going to find out tomorrow. Make sure you watch. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Share our channel with your friends. Let them know we're out there. Always nice to meet people online, in real life when we're here. And some of that happens from Instagram, some of it happens from YouTube. So it really does matter. Thanks for sharing, thanks for liking, thanks for following if you do now, or for being a subscriber. Appreciate it. Hope you're having fun with us. We're having fun, and more fun to come tomorrow. Thanks, and good night.